all the family, friends, relatives who are going to witness the special 7th birthday of our little lady, Ariana. Lord, we offer you Ariana to be always a good girl, a good daughter, and always guide her whenever she will go in any places. And Lord, I always praise and thank you for the gift of life, for all the family, especially for the family of Ariana, that they may give the best guidance and also to give her always a good advice, respect, and also for the sister. And Lord, we offer also all the food that we're going to take and all the people that I know in this special day we will be very happy and we will be enjoy the celebration of 7th birthday of Ariana. Now, let's give a big round of applause to Ariana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos todos cumpleaños feliz. Yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby. Anong gagawin ko dito? Pwede ilagay natin to doon sa gilid.
Hawak niyo pa kanina pa, no?
Kayo nga na pa. It's birthday. Okay, now that's the birthday celebration. Now, we're going to, this is the very special when we have the birthday. And ito yung mga inaantay ng mga especially for the kids. And ito yung pinaka-highlight for our celebration. We will have the entourage for Ariana. Like for example, somebody will give her a seven candles, 7 gifts, and also for the 7 roses. But I think the entourage is not yet complete, so maybe call on first while waiting for the others. Maybe call on the mama and papa to welcome us all and para they will be the one para ellos para bienvenido a todo en español porque yo no soy muy bien en español, ¿vale? Okay, this is the papa of Ariana and the mom. They will give you an opening, a welcome to everybody. Okay. Venga, venga.
Gracias por venir. Gracias a todos. Ya está.
Un poquito más. Baiklah. Pagkaway klaro. Gusto ko sobrar para dar un wish para Ariana. Okay, while waiting for the others, we're going to start the first entourage here. Hola, pasa por favor. Pasa. Pasa.